This is E5 Garden. The idea is to use the center as a place for open lab exhibition. One of the candidates for the exhibition is this biodiesel reactor. The task is to plan a layout so that this reactor, along with other exhibits, can fit within the center area. The layout must fulfill 4 criteria: enclosed, secure, visible, and protected. By enclosed, it should be able to contain all the exhibits. By secure, the enclosure should be able to be locked or unlocked on demand. By visible, the exhibit should be visible from the outside. And by protected, the exhibit should be protected from the rain or anything from above. Our first step is to map the area by measuring the width, length, and gap of interest. Next, we translate it into digital drawing so that we can easily and accurately design the layout. To get the sense of direction, we can add some navigation compass. Our biggest exhibit, the reactor, is about 2 meter in width, 2.25 meter in height, and 1.25 meter in depth. This dimension already includes some extra breathing space. Looking back to our drawing, the gap between these two elevated squares is 2.32 meter. If this glass box represents our reactor with corresponding widths, heights, and depths, we can easily see that it can fit well within the elevated square. Let's fill in the glass box with model reactor, and then we remove the glass box. As there will be more exhibit to be added aside from this reactor, we extend the enclosure up to 12 meter to maximize the usage of center area. For side, we go for 2 meter. For front, we go for 5 meter, where 2 meters is being reserved for gate width. The gate is needed to allow this enclosure to be locked and unlocked on demand. We propose simple metal fence as enclosure material, similar to the fence used to enclose waste room nearby. The height for this fence is about 2 meter, and to give the sense of scale, we can add the model person with average height of 160 to 170 cm. It's important to note that there should be enough breathing space for the average person to navigate within the enclosure, especially around the reactor. Now we can add the roofing. The distance from rooftop to the ground is approximately 3 meters. By adding the pre-existing palm tree, we can see that the roofing does not interfere with the palm leaf. The tree height is about 7 to 8 meters, which approximates the actual tree height. In conclusion, this is the view from E5 level 2, another view from different angle, the close-up view, the front view, the right side view, the back view, the left side view, and finally the top view.